basically just an apartment and a gym. So this is the current second week streak of my workout. Once I finished doing at the gym or working out at the gym rather, so I just prepare myself to range or in our refrigerator. Sorry if I jumbled some words in there. So yeah, so kind of like refilling and restocking some of the goods or groceries to our new refrigerator. So the basics, probably more like chicken, chicken liver, chicken gizzard, everything that's chicken, and then more on drinks because basically I'm a drink girly. I'm not into a fan of solid food lately. So
Kinuha na nila ito dito yung... Bawa pipino, talong muna, gano'n.
and here's the final outcome of my restocking at our refrigerator. So more on candies, also some veggies, dairies, sauces, dips, some breads, chips, and everything that are basically basic. Sumaksis tayong kinami probation. Again, this is my current third week streak at the gym. I probably feel like it's already my routine already since I started my gym a couple of weeks ago, and I can feel it's a burnout all day, but I also feel lighter and very productive throughout the day. Okay, so this is the I think this is not a monthly cleanup. This is more of like a general cleanup. Starting the technique was from the main door at our apartment to the inside of the house. So yun yung technique ko. So start muna ako sa mga shoe organizer. Isa lang naman yun. Bakit mga? And then yung sa TV na corner, and then sa living room. And then, yun. Medyo di ko na siya ini-detail kasi madami talaga. Nag-start ako mga around past 3 in the afternoon. Then, natapos ako mga bandang 6:30 yata or 7 p.m. So, yun. Baba pa lang yun ha. Hindi ko pa na ki-clean up yung room namin. For the easiest naman din na part ng pag-general cleaning ko is tong dining kasi since ito yung mas lagi naming nagagalawan. So, syempre, ito yung mas una kong nanonotice once I wake up in the morning. Hindi ko masabi ng morning kasi nga tanghali na kami nagigising. So, yun. Hindi ko masyadong pinag-effortan yung paglilinis. And yun, syempre, pinasadahan ko ulit yung ref namin. I don't know if makikita nyo dyan. O kung wala, edi hindi ko na-videoan yun. So, um, parang ano ko lang siya yun yung relaxation ko, some sort of, and ano din siya, stress reliever, yung paglilinis kasi na-organize din yung mga thoughts ko. And at the same time, yun nga, pag malinis ang bahay, syempre, mas makakagalaw ka ng maayos. I think one of the hardest na nagawa ko sa general cleaning ko at this time is yung sa dish dryer or sa dishwasher area kasi talagang kinudkod ko ng sobra yung pinakalalagyan ng mga plates. Dahil sobrang nabumuo yung hard water na yun, then yung mga residue ng sabon. And ang isa pang medyo tricky or medyo madaming cleaning or cleanup is yung pantry kasi may mga existing ng mga spices, condiments, yung mga drinks namin, sachets, yung mga kailangan sa pagluluto, talagang inis-isa. And yun, may ginamit akong bagong cleaner na nakita ko sa TikTok, yung Seaways. Kaso di ko alam paano yung function ng pinaka-pump niya. I don't know, i-comment niyo na lang dyan kung paano ba.